In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all files from Google Drive at once. We'll do this quickly and safely using the web version of Google Drive on a computer, so you can clear out your storage in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your files live. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. From the menu that appears, choose Drive. If you prefer, you can also type drive.google.com into your address bar to go straight there. Once Drive opens, look at the left side and make sure you're in My Drive. This is your personal space that contains your folders and files. If you're in areas like Shared with Me or Shared Drives, switch back to My Drive before continuing so you only affect your own content. Now it's time to select everything. Click once on any single file or folder to focus the file list. Then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+A if you're on a Mac. You should see every item in My Drive become highlighted. If you have a lot of content, give it a moment. Google Drive may take a few seconds to select it all. Keep in mind, selecting a folder selects everything inside it as well, so when you delete the folder, its contents go to the trash too. With everything selected, look at the toolbar near the top of the page and click the Delete icon, which looks like a trash can. If you're asked to confirm, choose to move the items to the trash. Drive will now move all selected files and folders to your trash in one go. You may see a progress indicator while this completes, especially if your drive is large. A few quick tips to wrap up. This action moves items to trash. It doesn't permanently erase them right away. Trash items are typically kept for 30 days, during which you can restore anything you deleted by mistake. If you own shared files, deleting them removes access for others, so double-check before you proceed. If a file is owned by someone else, deleting it here only removes your shortcut. It won't delete their original. And if you're using a work or school account, your organization's policies may control what you can delete or how long items are retained. That's it. Your Google Drive is now cleared in just a few steps.